guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about one important thing, that is how to wake up early. Yes, here I would be sharing 5 pointers which plays very important role in this topic. So the first thing is that there should be a strong why. Now by saying this sentence that there should be a strong why, what I wanted to say is that there should be a strong motive, reason why you should wake up early on that day or every day. Yes. Where you are not clear about why you wanted to wake up early, what you will do is that your mind will just give you a command to just go to sleep. Why? The thing is that your mind doesn't know that why you wanted to wake up early. But if you have a strong motive, reason, that this is the reason I wanted to do this thing, and because of this I wanted to wake up early every single morning, then only the things are going to run out or going to happen. Yes. So let's move towards the next point, and that is do create a to-do list. Yes. It's been said by me a lot of times in my previous videos. I must say every single video which I create on some ways or some pointers, I have used this technique, that do create a to-do list, so that it will help you out to execute what are things you wanted to do, what are the things you have allocated to do that day or that morning. The same reason goes here. If you don't know what you wanted to do after waking up early in that morning or in every single morning, what is going to happen? Your mind will force you to go to sleep again. Yes, that is the thing. Okay, so let's move towards the next point, and that is don't do any kind of drastic changes. Yes, if you are someone who is thinking to just wake up early every single morning, then previously, if you are a person who was waking up at 10 o'clock, and now you're thinking that you should wake up on 7 o'clock, then don't do this kind of drastic change like 10, wake up at 10 and then next day you're waking up at 7 o'clock. That is not going to work, because your whole body will feel some kind of weakness at the almost second day, third day, fourth day, and you will get sick, seriously speaking. If you wanted to make seriously good change in your life, what you have to do is that cut back your 15 to 30 minutes of time. The simple logic is, if you are a person who is waking up at 10 o'clock, next day wake up at 9:30 or 9:45, then follow the same technique for 5 to 6 days, then again cut down your 15 to 30 minutes of time, and do this gradually until you don't get your perfect timing goal. Yes. Let's move to the next point, and that is keep your alarm clock away from your bed. Yes, I can just imagine if your alarm clock is near your bed, what can happen is, even though what I can do is I will just wake up and shut it off, or I can just hit the snooze button. That's it. I will not do anything else, and I will just go to sleep again. But the thing is that if you keep it away from your bed, you will wake up, you will just walk till the table and you will shut it off. And then till the time you will be like, okay, I can go to washroom and do whatever I think I wanted to do further. So just put it away from your bed, and that can make or create a change. Yes. So what's the next point, and that is, guys, there is one important thing. Just challenge yourself. Challenge yourself for 21 days. Because listen, if you're a person who wanted to wake up early for 1 or 2 days, it's going to be easy, very easy. But staying constant till 21 days, it's really hard. So challenge yourself. Brain gets used to new habits within 21 days. To shift your mindset and your attitude to wake up early in every morning. Make a commitment for next 3 weeks and challenge yourself so that you can build up your constancy for waking up early every single morning. I hope this simple techniques or simple ways can help you out to just wake up early in the morning every single day. Hope you like this video. Just let me meet you in the next video. Till the time, take care. Bye.